Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Open your cameras. Radhe, Gurukaran. Open your cameras. Open your cameras, all of you. Open your cameras, everyone.
Good morning,
And take
ma'am.
out maths book, page 53 also.
Good
Take
morning,
out
ma'am.
maths book, page 53 also. Good morning. Take out maths book, page 53. Till which question we have done yesterday?
Ma'am, Sheila. Ma'am,
Take
you
it up.
don't.
Sheila wala question
Ma'am,
kar
only
right?
two.
Yes. We have to start from Sheila one.
Ma'am, only two question we done.
Okay, okay. Sheila wala मैंने कल समझाया था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday I told you about the Sheila one. So I'm explaining once again to you what happened in this Sheila question. Question number 3. Sheila has 4,344 steps. Sheila के पास कितने steps है और रीता के पास कितने steps है? Who is having more steps? Sheila or Rita? Who is having more
Ma'am,
steps? Rita. And how we will calculate how much more? How we will calculate how much more does Rita have?
Ma'am.
How we will calculate it?
Ma'am, minus.
Huh? Yes, Dakshita, how will you calculate it? That how many more steps does she have?
Ma'am, we will minus.
We will minus the stems of Rita from the stems of who's Sheila. Okay, write everyone now. Maths fair notebook के same page. Take out maths fair notebook, same page. You can continue. Okay. Let us do question number 3. Sheila. Sheila. Put dot 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 in between and more. ठीक है? Now write answer 3. Open your cameras, everyone. Write answer 3. Okay, so you will write what you will write. What will be the first statement? Tell me quickly. What will be the first statement? What will be the first statement?
Ma'am, ma'am, how many
Right? How
Stems.
many, Dakshata? Beta, we never use the word how many in answers, okay? जब हम आंसर लिखते हैं ना, स्टेटमेंट लिखते हैं, तो स्टेटमेंट में वी नेवर यूज द वर्ड हाउ मेनी इज फॉर क्वेश्चंस. तो बताओ क्या लिखोगी? हाउ मेनी नहीं लिखो, बाकी आपने ठीक बोला.
Ma'am, there are. Ma'am, stems are.
स्टेम्स आर की जगह बेटा वी राइट नंबर ऑफ स्टेम्स. ओके दक्षिता,
Okay, ma'am.
number of stems. Rita, beta, whenever we write any name, it should be with a capital letter. Rita had. Number of stems Rita had. And second statement, number of stems Sheila had. Oh. Second stem, number.
Morning,
Who is
ma'am.
saying good morning now so late? Huh? First of all, coming late and saying good morning. What do you think? मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा आप लेट आ रहे हो. Sheila had. Number of stems Sheila had. Okay, now write down. More stems. Third statement will be more stems. Okay, put an equal to sign here. And maths book में page 53 निकालना है बेटा. Everyone, maths book page 53. And notebook का से काम करना है इसमें. Your books also should be open. Everyone, your book should also be opened. Okay, how many stems does Rita have? Rita had how much stems? What is the number of strength of Rita? Yes, Vanya, tell me how many stems did Rita have?
Four thousand 783.
Very good. 4,783. Very good. Okay, 83, not 53. Okay. Hunch, tell me how many stems did Sheila have?
Ma'am, Sheila have 4,344.
Okay, very good. 4,344 stems. So you will subtract it. Everyone be attentive. मैं किसी से कोई भी question पूछ सकती हूँ. And if you will not answer, I will call your parents that you are not answering. Okay. So right here. So statement में आप बेटा पूरा proper answer लिखते हैं. So किसके पास ज़्यादा stems थे? So Rita has more stems by write down the number. After by you will write down the number here. What is the answer coming? Sorry. What is the answer coming? You will write here. Okay. Do it. After question 3, we'll continue with the question 4. And keep your cameras on. I will not say this again and again. Aradhya, open your camera. Vashu, Saran Chandani, open your camera. Divit, Rudransh though is not connected with the audio. Quickly do this. We will start the next exercise, next question now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me ask those who were absent yesterday. Aman is again absent today. Anand Pathak is present today. No, Anand is continuously being absent. was absent yesterday? Aradhya. Aradhya? Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you absent yesterday, beta?
Ma'am, I am not absent.
No, yesterday in the first period you were not there. Yesterday first period में तो नहीं थे बेटा आप. हाँ राधे.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा आपका नेटवर्क ठीक नहीं आ रहा है राधे. आपका राधे नेटवर्क ठीक नहीं आ रहा है अभी प्रॉपर्ली. अर्जुन इज हियर. अर्जुन यादव.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा why were you absent yesterday? हाँ why were you absent? Why were you absent, Arjun?
Ma'am, I am present.
You were absent, beta. Yesterday's attendance with me. I got yesterday. I have done it. I can show you the participant list. Participant list में आप नहीं थे, Arjun. Participant list में you were not there. So how were you present in the first period?
No, ma'am, I am present.
You were present. Participant list में तो थे नहीं.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll show you my work.
अच्छा, चलो देखती हूँ. Samarth, why were you absent yesterday? Samarth Kumar is present today. Samarth Kumar. Samarth Kumar is again absent. So let us start the next question now. Saran Chandani, better read the question number 5-4. Read question 4, beta. Saran.
Okay, ma'am. In a family, the son and what is it? EARNS.
Earns.
In a family, the son earns rupees 4,300.
Beta. Saransh. Keep your book here. We are not able to listen from there. Keep your book this side. Now you can speak.
Son earns 4,300 rupees less than his father. If the father earns 9,000, how much does the son earn?
Okay, very good. Now look here. Now everyone will look at my board. Let me see my board. Can you see it? Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me spotlight my. Okay, the question is, in a family, son earns rupees 4,300, 4,000 something less than his father. There is a family, and suppose this is father. Who is this? Who is this? He is a father. And
Father.
he is a son. So son is earning 4,300 less than father. What is the earning of son? What is the earning of son? How many of you are saying that son earns rupees? How many of you are saying that son earns rupees this much?
Ma'am, rupees 4,345.
Son earns this much rupees? No. Beta, this is not the earning of son. Earning means क्या होता है? अच्छा, first of all, let me teach you the meaning of earn. Earn का मतलब होता है कमाना. कमाना. Your father earns money. Earn means कमाना, पैसे कमाना होता है, इनकम होता है. That is earning, कमाना. ठीक है? तो son की earning इतनी है. इतनी नहीं है. इतनी less than father. कितनी है लेस देन फादर? फादर की कितनी है? फादर की ₹9,000 है. If I say son is earning ₹4,000 less than father, okay, let me take one son and let me take one son and one. Mitansh, open your video. Mitansh, open your video. Okay, let me have some one son. Who will be the son? Okay, let me take Shaurya Patel as son. Okay, and there will be one father. Who will be father? Aradhe will be the father. Okay. Okay. Aradhe, you are the father, and Shaurya Patel, you are the son. Okay. Now, I say, मैं बस father और son नहीं बोल रही हूँ. I say Shaurya is the earning of Aradhe is ₹10. Earning of Aradhe is ₹10, and Shaurya earns ₹3 less than Aradhe. Shaurya is earning ₹3 less than Aradhe. What is the earning of Shaurya?
7. Ma'am, 7.
Very good. Very good. कैसे कैलकुलेट किया? कैसे कैलकुलेट किया?
Ma'am, 10 minus 3.
हाँ, 10
Ma'am,
minus
10 minus 3.
yes, 10 minus 3. तो शौर्य, मैंने कहा शौर्य is earning 3 less than Aradhe. शौर्य is earning 3 less than Aradhe. Okay? तो आराध्य जो है ₹3 अर्न कर रहा है क्या? ये बताओ मुझे. लो, आराध्य तो चला गया. शौर्य, क्या तुम ₹3 अर्न कर रहे हो? शौर्य, are you earning ₹3? हाँ शौर्य, are you earning ₹3? Why it is happening? So how much you are earning? मैंने 3 क्यों बोला फिर आपके लिए? Why have I say why do I say कि you are earning ₹3 less than father? आप ₹3 नहीं अर्न कर रहे हो, आप ₹3 कम अर्न कर रहे हो. जितना भी आराध्य अर्न कर रहा था उससे ₹3 कम कर रहे हो. अगर वो ₹13 कर रहा था तो आप 10 कर रहे हो. अगर वो ₹12 कर रहा था तो आप 9 कर रहे हो. अंडरस्टूड? ठीक है, आप पूरा का पूरा नहीं कर रहे हो. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? So son is not earning this much rupees. Son is not earning this much rupees. Son is earning 9,000 minus this much rupees. 9,000 में से ये वाला माइनस कर दो. ठीक है? The understood? चलो, let's start this question. Question number 4. Write question 4. The first word is in a put dot in between EARN earn. Okay, now we will do question answer 4. Now tell me what will be the first statement. What will be the first statement? जल्दी से बताओ क्या स्टेटमेंट होगी फर्स्ट. बताओ जल्दी से. Yes, any one of you. I'm asking any one of you in the class. Nobody knows कि क्या होगी. हाँ, nobody knows what will be the statement. Okay, Sarakshi. Yes, father earns rupee. Okay, very good. Who told me this answer? Tell me your name, beta. आराध्य. आराध्य बेटा, आपके सिग्नल्स अच्छे नहीं आ रहे हैं. आप आंसर अच्छा करते हो बट आपके सिग्नल्स नहीं आ रहे हैं ना. You will write father earns. Good, Aradhya. Then you will write son earns less. Son earns नहीं है बेटा, ये son earns मत लिखना सिर्फ. Son earns less. How much less is he earning? Then you will get how much does the sun earns. Do not leave lines in between. Okay. Father earns. Do not forget to put the rupees sign over here. Rupees, how much? Rupees 9,000. Rupees. Sorry. हाँ ठीक है. 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you will subtract it. Then you will get how much did the sun earn. Saransh, sit straight, beta. This is not a way to sit straight. Saransh and Dani, I'm talking to you. Sit straight. Yes, good. So, sun earns rupees dash dash. Okay, by the time, let me take your attendance. Do this question fully and send. अब तो आप ठीक लिखने लगे हो, लेकिन still send me the answers of these two answers. Oh, sorry, beta. Sorry, I'm showing. Wait a minute. Do it quickly. Done?
I will send it on the WhatsApp group.
Okay, I'm checking. Just give me a minute, beta. Okay, let me check the answers. Gurkaran send me. Very good, Gurkaran. Very nicely done. बेटा गुरकरण रीता का आर कैपिटल करो. गुड गुरकरण, वेरी गुड. बेटा लास्ट में गुरकरण रुपीस साइन लगाओ. सो सन अर्न्स रुपीस दिस मच. So
Ma'am,
son
I am
earns
going to
rupees
the
this much.
washroom.
Mitansh, open your mic. Mitansh, open your mic.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Don't speak in between. I will see myself. Just
Ma'am,
send it on WhatsApp.
I
Now,
have
Aditi,
done
don't speak in between. Send your answer on WhatsApp.
Okay.
That's it. हाँ मितांश.
Okay, ma'am.
मितांश आपसे नहीं बात कर रही हूँ मैं अदिति से बोल रही थी. मितांश, look here. बेटा, you got all the maths work? मितांश, I'm talking to you. Maths work मिल गया बेटा?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. बाकी सारा work? Have you got other work?
Ma'am, please send in your group.
ग्रुप पे तो नहीं होगा बेटा सेंड. आई विल सेंड इट पर्सनली टू यू नाउ और यू आर एडेड इन डी ग्रुप.
Okay.
जितना भी आज काम होगा, रोज काम होता है, वो आप डी ग्रुप से चेक करेंगे अब. ठीक है.
Okay,
जब हो
ma'am.
चुका है आई विल सेंड यू एंड आई विल सेंड वन फॉर्म टू यू. गूगल फॉर्म होता है, वो पेरेंट्स का नेम उसमें प्रॉपरली फिल करना है. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
मैं आपको एक वो दूंगी लिंक, उसमें जरूर फिल करवा देना है पेरेंट्स से. ठीक है. नेम का
Okay, ma'am.
स्पेलिंग बिल्कुल ठीक होनी चाहिए पेरेंट्स की. फादर क्या
Okay, ma'am.
करते हैं, मदर क्या करते हैं, ये सब होगा. ओके. एंड इन
Okay,
विच
ma'am.
हाउस यू वर इन लास्ट टाइम? किस हाउस में थे बेटा पहले?
मैम इसी हाउस में था मैं पहले.
हाउस कलर कौन सा था व्हेन यू वर इन? एंड स्पीक इन इंग्लिश.
Okay, ma'am.
व्हिच हाउस यू वर इन प्रीवियसली?
Ma'am, it is.
अरे हाउस मींस कलर. हाउस कलर. येलो हाउस, ग्रीन हाउस, ब्लू हाउस. किस हाउस में थे जो शर्ट
Ma'am,
पहनते थे?
पहले. Ma'am,
Saturday
yellow
को?
house.
Yellow house. Okay. I will tell your house also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
कलर ऑल्सो. जो शर्ट पहनते थे ना कलर्ड वाली, वो.
Okay, ma'am. House.
आर्यन गंगवार, बेटा प्रॉपरली पिक्चर क्लिक किया करो. दिस इज नॉट अ वे टू क्लिक अ पिक्चर.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
Then what is the meaning of stamp?
व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ
Stamps.
स्टैम्प? बेटा स्टैम्प क्या होते हैं? छोटे छोटे कार्ड्स होते हैं. ओके. वो पहले आते थे पोस्ट कार्ड्स पे लगते थे उसको, तो वो होते हैं स्टैम्प्स. ओके. छोटे छोटे कार्ड्स होते हैं, स्मॉल स्मॉल कार्ड्स.
Ma'am, my camera will off. Now I am
ओके.
sending the work.
ओके बेटा. सेंड इट क्विकली एवरीवन. वान्या, वान्या बेटा आपका फर्स्ट वाला आंसर, थर्ड वाला आंसर रॉन्ग आया है. ठीक से माइनस करो. अच्छा ये 2 है. सॉरी 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 वान्या. सही है. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. थर्ड ठीक आया है. ओके करेक्ट. ओके गुड. Ayush, beta, whenever you write any name, suppose you are writing Rita, it should be with the R should be capital letters. Good. Vanya, good. All are correct. Very good. Who is this? Akshita, good. Okay, good. Beta. Akshita. Send it quickly, beta. What are you showing? Saransh, complete your work quickly. Why are you sitting? Saransh Chandani, do your work quickly. 2 minutes में मुझे भेजो ये आंसर. Don't sit idle. Nobody will sit idle. Okay, Ansh has sent me the answer. अंश रीता का आर कैपिटल लिखो बेटा, शीला का एस कैपिटल लिखो। और 4655 आ रहा है बेटा, 8655 नहीं आ रहा है, 4655 आ रहा है बेटा। विच टाइप ऑफ नोटबुक आर यू यूजिंग आदित्य? इट शुड बी बोथ साइड लाइन, डोंट यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ नोटबुक नेक्स्ट टाइम। गुड आदित्य। ओके शौर्य पटेल, गुड गुड शौर्य पटेल, both are correct. Wait a minute, I'm checking whose answer is Aradhe. Aradhe, please improve your handwriting बेटा, इतना अच्छा वर्क करते हो, है सिर्फ हैंडराइटिंग गंदी है थोड़ी सी बस। सो ट्राई टू राइट एवरी डे 1 पेज ऑफ राइटिंग आराध्य। ओके आराध्य, do it quickly everyone. I'm going to rub this within a minute. Aradhe, Arjun, Arin, Ayush, Dakshita, David Kurkulam, Hardik, Humera, Kalpit, Taranveer, Mitansh, Mohammed Saad, Taranveer, Kunal, absent. Kunal is here. Is Kunal here? Kunal, Ranjan, Ritvik, Rutranj, Samrat Kumar, Sarakshi, Sarah Chandani, Sarah Singh, Sarthak Gangwar, Shaurya Patel, Shobdeep, Shaurya Pratap is absent again. Okay. Shobdeep, Shreya, Sarthak Gangwar, Vanya Vashu. And Mitansh Patel is new here. 38 number is at Mitansh. Okay, let's go for the next question now. You have sent me the answer, I will check it, don't worry. Okay, Mitansh Patel confusion words is that's it. Chalo, let me start with Aradhya Mishra. बेटा मुझे बहुत सारों ने नहीं भेजा। राधे, योर आंसर इज कमिंग रॉन्ग। सेकंड वाले का आंसर गलत आ रहा है। सार्थक गंगवार करेक्ट। नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू राइट, वेरी गुड। दिवित करेक्ट, वेरी गुड। सारांश सिंह, नीट एंड क्लीन वर्क, वेरी नाइस। बेटा इंग्लिश में किसका वर्क कंप्लीट है सारा का सारा? टेल मी। English में all work has been done in literature. Is there anyone who is having the whole PDF of English? Is there anyone who is having all the PDF complete?
I have full PDF of science, math, and
What is your name? What is your name? Who is saying I have full syllabus this and this? Who is saying?
I'm Shaurya Patel.
Shaurya, beta, can you send me all the work? Or you can send it directly to Mitansh.
Ma'am, I will send on your personal number.
You just send it to me. I will forward it to Mitansh. Okay? Thank you so much, beta.
All this work.
Beta, all the work you send it.
Okay, ma'am, I will send at the evening.
जितना अभी तक हुआ है. Okay? So check your answers, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Check your answers, everyone, quickly. See, these are the answers. Let me share it on the D group also. Kunal is here. Kunal. Chalo. Now let's stop it and now we are going to start the next question. Okay. See. Okay. Sorry, beta, don't forget it. Okay. Please send it if you have it. Not now, after the
Okay,
words.
ma'am, I will
After
send
the
it.
class. Okay. Chalo. Open your cameras.
Okay,
Why
ma'am.
these cameras are off? Huh? Why these cameras are off? Shlokdeep, beta, read the fourth question. Not the fourth, fifth question. Sorry, fifth question. Read question 5, Shlokdeep. Shlokdeep, read question number 5. Shlokdeep, where is your book? You don't have a book also?
Ma'am, there are
Huh? Speak. Good.
there are 3,000
People
people in what is this
village
village
A. Village A. Name है कोई village का. Village A.
village A and 4,567 in
दिव्य क्या हो रहा है ये है? In village B. पढ़ो.
village B, which village has more, what is this,
More people
more people and how much more,
and how many more?
how many more.
Yes. So beta, good Shlokdeep, you will do one thing. Tomorrow onwards, you are going to send me one video of 5 minutes of reading. ठीक है श्लोकदीप? 5 minutes
Okay,
reading
ma'am.
करोगे. कोई भी इंग्लिश की बुक से या हिंदी की इंग्लिश की बुक से या साइंस की बुक से या एसएसटी की बुक से रीडिंग करके वीडियो बनाओगे, मुझे भेजोगे. Because you don't know how to read it. ठीक है? सो कल से आज से मुझे आपकी 5 मिनट की वीडियो चाहिए रीडिंग की 5 मिनट.
Okay,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
ओके गुड. एंड आई विल आस्क एवरी डे. अब बेटा सारांश चंदानी, आराम से बैठ के काम करोगे तो ऐसे ही होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर नॉट रिटन द रुपीज साइन. और ये कितना गंदा वर्क करा हुआ है? और फादर अंश के बाद एक लाइन लीव क्यों करिए सारांश चंदानी? व्हाट इज दिस? Okay, so there is one village A and there is one village B. Village A है और एक village B है. ये शीला और रीता वाले जैसे ही क्वेश्चन है. इसके अंदर 3,000 people है और सेकंड वाले के अंदर कितने हैं? 4, 5, 7, 6, 7. Who is having more number of people? Who is having more people? Huh?
Village B.
Village B has more people. And how many more? How will you calculate it? How many more people are there?
Minus.
By minus.
Very good. By subtracting. By subtracting. By subtracting village B में से you will subtract village A. Number of people in village B minus number of people in village A. So we'll see you tomorrow. We will do this question tomorrow now. Okay? Chalo. Bye everyone.